right, Happy New Year's, everybody. We are back here with Boogie, and we got this microwave all ready. So we jumped out the fuse right there with the screw, and yeah. And if this still gives us problems, we'll just try and jump it out entirely. But anyway, looks like it was trying to go automatically. Anyway, I have to raise this just a hair a bit more. But yeah, we got a brand new microwave from 2002. It's a white Westinghouse. And it's not the biggest microwave, but it will work. We have, as you can see, some of our old parts for our other microwave that's no longer with us, for the LG one. But that's no longer with us. In case this magnetron goes out, we have another backup. Anyway, today we got this fan that we'll be plugging in while the microwave's running. We got some Christmas lights to help, just boost some light for New Year's. Little celebration. Got some regular bulbs in here. Got this little music box, I think, voice box. It's dead, but and then we have this little wireless charging mouse pad thing here, and some little poppers. So anyway, yeah, let's get to it. So what do you want to start with? Hopefully, I'm not entirely sure if the fuse will work by jumping it out the way we did, but we'll try it. If not, we'll just have to either put the fuse back in until that blows, and then we'll have to rewire it. But anyway,
we could probably start with that first.
Want to start with this?
Magic charger, yeah.
Okay.
How long should we put it in for?
I could put it in for like maybe a minute and a half. Has a little light here, so hopefully we'll get some reaction. Hopefully we'll know if it's actually working or not. So you say
we got it for
130?
130. All right. Let's see what happens.
Oh yeah, it's going for sure. You can see some marking. Oh, come on.
Stop, but it's already smoking. You can smell it.
Yeah, I mean it worked, but yeah, so we'll just put it back in there. We'll put the fuse back, and once that goes, once the fire starts, then and if the fuse pops, we'll just rewire it, because there won't be much we can do with the busted fuse. Okay, so we put the fuse back in temporarily. In case that goes out, we'll rewire it anyway. We'll resume with 130. This thing just keeps moving. It's not the best sturdiness, but we got the safety bucket too. So do not try this at home. Let's go for it.
You can see already it's burning.
The cord's burning in there.
Oh,
ooh, look at that. Oh. Oh God, you smell that?
Oh God, that's horrible. I'm gonna cover them out.
Oh God, it's coming right out of this.
They might blow.
Look at that. Oh God, look at the cord. Look how beautiful that looks.
Oh. All the smoke.
Yeah, I should probably turn it off.
Yeah, that's right. Nice. Take a look, guys.
Let's take a look here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Already got a nice brand new color to that. Well, lunch is ready. Oh.
We'll go for some lunch.
Ooh, I thought this was metal at first. Oh, there you go.
Nice and toasty.
Oh.
Kind of looks like a s'more.
Kind of does, huh?
Smells like a campfire.
Yeah, it does. Okay. So, what next? What shall we do next?
Next, we can start off with another thing that's like this little voice recorder or whatever.
All right. How many minutes should we put it in?
I don't know, because the first one didn't take that long, so maybe like again, a minute 30.
Okay, minute 30. Do the honors?
Yes, sir. All right.
130. So we got the voice box in there. We'll get it to work. The batteries were dead. Oh, you gotta put 130 again.
Yeah, and it's dark.
Oh, right away. That flamed up
Damn.
quick.
That was quick. I barely turned it on for a second.
Oh, God.
Making some interesting noises. Kind of sounds like the night after Taco Bell.
Pretty much.
I see smoke, but I don't see oh,
Oh.
that's a lot of smoke.
Oh.
Oh.
Comes the smoke. It's still turning. Oh, there we go. Look at the plasma going up. Got 40 seconds left.
Oh wow. The fire's catching on fire.
Just shut that off.
Ooh.
Woo!
Holy shit.
It's getting blacker and blacker each time, right?
Damn.
Let's see. Smells like burnt plastic, of course.
Oh, nice how it still has this. Oh, it went, that fucking screwdriver just went straight back through it like butter. It's still on in the inside.
Really?
Yeah, you can see the little flame in the inside. It still has like red. And maybe that's just like
That's
it's
the light.
melting.
I think that's the light.
Oh yeah, maybe.
There you go.
Damn.
It's nice and soft. Oh yeah, look, here's a little
Anybody
pieces.
wants some plastic brownies?
There's little pieces in there. Cositas.
Yeah, cositas.
Okay. It's definitely getting nice and toasty in there. Oh yeah, if I didn't mention already, we have a 12 amp Bissell Power Force motor that has had some minor water damage at one point that we'll be throwing in there as well. So, okay, on to the next stuff.
Alright, on to the next thing. I was thinking maybe we try these lights.
Okay, did you want to put all the light bulbs in there too, or just the lights?
I
think.
it won't fuck up the microwave. You
No.
can throw them all in.
I don't think it's just gonna pop. I know the lights will pop, the bulbs will pop.
Yeah, we can throw all these in.
Okay. So let's see. We'll put one over there.
I don't know if you wanna. I don't know if you wanna like put this one in, and then we can nestle one on top or something.
Yeah, that might be better.
They'll leave the tag in.
We'll have to
We'll just leave the tag in. Might as well.
$1.49. And we'll just throw them on there. And I think,
like maybe like 2 minutes.
yeah, we could do like, where's the oh, stop reset. So like 2 minutes.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's begin. Oh, look at that.
Pretty.
Happy New Year's.
That's how you like Christmas lights with the microwave.
It looks so much better too. It's like strobes.
It's like actually like lighting up.
Oh god.
Like they're actually on.
They're like a prettier
Oh,
gold.
shit.
They're burning. They're all burning one by one for sure. Flickering.
There we go.
It looks pretty cool. Oh look, we got fire. We got fire.
We got flames.
The turntables are turned them all. Oh, we got smoke.
Got lots of smoke. Like the lights are actually on and they even have the colors. Perfect way to light a Christmas tree. All you need is a microwave.
150. Oh, I got 50 seconds.
I'm surprised those light bulbs haven't bursted yet.
Nah, they just all popped. I don't know if even the other ones did or not. It's hard to say if the big ones
I'm
popped.
expecting flames soon, so
We had a little bit, but
making noise. Some of them are going off.
I think that's about it. I mean, there's only 20 seconds, so.
Yeah. We'll just write it out. That's pretty cool how they all lit up there.
I know, it was really cool. They still kind of flicker a little bit.
There it is.
Okay. Woo!
Ooh.
There we
They
go.
look like they're still intact. That light bulb's still intact.
Wonder if it even went off. You know, the light may not even gone off because they weren't even touching the metal.
Maybe.
I can't tell. These aren't. No, they're not. Oh, they're kind of hot. Yeah. Let's take the whole damn light things out. Let's see. Oh, that's what it is. So we got some warping on one of the bulbs because
You
of
can
the.
see burnt plastic right there.
It started melting. Well, I guess. What do you think? The motor or the fan?
Do you think the fan will actually like go, or not the fan, but the motor will go off since it's not connected or anything?
I think it's just gonna spark and burn out.
Can do the motor, I guess.
Okay.
All right, next up, man, is motor from a.
I don't know how much this is gonna bog down, but
Yeah, boys, see, there's wires and shit in there, obviously, so maybe we'll do something.
what do you think we should put?
Like probably 2 minutes.
You think too?
Yeah, because.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to just run. Oh
Oh
god.
yeah, already.
Not much.
There's some sparking, but
I saw some sparking, but I think it would have been much better had we had power going to it.
yeah.
I just didn't have the connections at the moment to do that, so. That motor's gonna be hot for sure when we could take it out. Got a minute left. So far, nothing. But,
I'm hearing stuff, but
oh, there we go. Oh god, the burnt lacquer.
that's bad.
That's when you know that the motor is fried.
That smells so bad. That's like one of the worst smells ever. Oh, there's a little flame in the middle.
Little sparks on the connections.
Lots of smoke though.
10, 8, 7, 6. You just have to bust one
Yeah,
out.
yeah, that wasn't the motor. That was me, guys.
Oh god. Oh god, that is like the worst
Hey,
smell.
that smells like burnt carrots.
That smells like burnt Taco Bell.
Burnt Taco Bell.
Oh man.
Damn. Oh my god, that's a bad smell.
Oh. Oh. Okay, let's see. Get the trusty pliers here. Oh,
Okay,
I think it was the rubber that was burning. Yeah, you can see the burnt lacquer on here. There you go. The burnt lacquer. Okay. Get that rubber piece out of there. And God. Okay, that's time to do the fan.
Alright, next up, guys. Last but not least, the fan.
And we're going to power this on while it's running.
Hell yeah.
Right, so
As you can see, it's on.
we got the fan going, as you can see. Works pretty good. It is on max, I believe. Actually, no. This is pretty stupid. Look at this. So that's like the power setting, the low power setting. That's the max, and that's off. You know,
It's only max or low.
well, you would think it would be 1 and then 2, 0, 1, 2, but it's 0, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, it runs pretty good. Little fan. Throw that in there. And yeah, it'll even cool off the microwave.
Exactly. This is how you clean a microwave off. So.
Exactly. We'll have to finagle a way to get that core to stay.
3 minutes.
Yeah, so we finally got this thing to close. It's on, so I think we'll do 3 minutes. And hopefully this power surge won't cause us any problems. Yeah, so hopefully it won't cause us any problems. I hope not, but hopefully it'll stay on long enough to where we can see the action. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh God, there it goes. Oh, we got one of the lights on the power strip, which probably cut the power. I hope not. But it shouldn't because it shouldn't because oh God, you smell that?
Oh shit.
I have a feeling this one's gonna pop, but got 2 minutes and
Smells like
50
corn chips.
It's like clicking on and off that power strip. About 1 minute and 50 seconds. Let's see.
That smells like chlorine.
Oh, you know what this smells like? It smells like that Lionel train smoke. Have you ever had a Lionel train that has like an actual smoke feature? There's a little electric, ready to run Lionel sets. It's exactly what it smells like. We got smoke, no fire yet. Oh God, we have 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Might need to run a little bit longer. Maybe because the fan's on that it's not getting too hot.
I think that anything that's electrical will immediately shut off when when the microwave is running. Got a minute left. Yep,
That's a lot of smoke.
50 seconds.
I wonder if the fan's still on.
I do not know. We got 40 seconds.
Wow, that's a lot of smoke.
Covered our weight. Oh, I see some marking at the bottom. "20 seconds." Oh man. I was really hoping for more, man.
Same. Oh, I saw some flames at the bottom. Oh, it's on fire.
Is it?
There's some flames on the bottom.
Oh man. Yeah, this surge was changing different lights, so we got. Let's see what. Oh god.
Oh,
We just have some people taking a nice evening jog over there, or walk.
oh, it's on fire.
Good.
Damn. Oh yeah.
I'll just let it go. Oh, it's that motor. Oh god, there it goes.
Well, now I want to get more flames out that it's off. I believe the fan is off. Yeah, I don't think it's
Yeah,
off.
the fan is toast.
Your microwave doesn't get hot enough, but you still want to keep it cool. That made no fucking sense.
Oh god. There it goes. There it goes now.
Oh,
Real
that's
good.
really good.
I definitely have a feeling that the fuse is gonna pop, but thankfully it's on closer to the other side of the microwave. Oh yeah, look at that plastic. It's like water. Look at that. Just oozing off. Oh, yep, there we hit it. We popped the fuse.
Wah, wah, wah.
Well, thankfully it was our last thing to throw in there. I would have thrown in the power strip, but I kind of have a feeling we might need it for a future use. Ah,
Nice and hot.
good way to end the microwave video, but I definitely want to see what it will. Well, we'll see if the microwave comes back on with the fuse, but if not, if we killed the fuse, then we'll definitely have to have no choice but to
It's just
hardwire it.
paint. Oh wow, it's really going.
Yeah, again, kids, do not try this at home. We are professionals. Probably don't need to have it plugged in anymore, but it makes it more fun. It's on a
Look at
strip.
it go.
It's on a strip surge.
Yeah, that fan is completely melted. It's destroyed. Gonzo.
It's like chocolate milk. Well, not milk, but it has it's like cookies and cream milk in a way. That's what it looks like. Cookies and cream, melted cookies and cream. Oh god, yeah, there's nothing left of it.
It's pretty much just gone. It smells horrible. It actually smells like paint. I think that's just the paint melting.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's possible. Got some flame down there in the turntable hole. But yeah, there it is. There's the motor. All the plastic went to the back.
Everybody wants some milk.
You got milk?
Got milk.
Yeah, that's doing pretty
Well, in
good.
conclusion, fans are not microwave proof yet.
Yeah. Had I not had it on a power strip, I think it would have stayed on a lot longer. And maybe it did have power, because if the microwave had power, obviously the fan had to have.
Yeah, I just think it just busted something inside. It got too hot and it just turned off.
Yeah, nothing like letting a entire fan get melted to nothing.
Yeah, that's a lot of flame.
Yeah, it's all contained. It's even kind of on the wall. Look, it's like the fire's kind of even on the
It's
wall.
actually trying to come out. It's actually trying to come out.
It's almost there. It's almost there.
It's actually really toasty right now.
Yeah, it's a nice little fire.
How to turn a microwave into a toaster.
It's a little bit chilly out too. We can see each other's breath. So look at that flame. It's just kind of on the wall of the microwave right there, as you can see.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, it came up from the back.
Oh, the microwave's burning.
Get the safety bucket.
Should I turn it out?
Yeah. Get the safety bucket. We don't want to lose this microwave just yet. Oh, it came back on the microwave. Hurry, hurry.
Throw it on there, bro.
Yeah. Well, let me unplug it. Keep it going. They almost got it. Get in there. There you go. I really hope that to God that this microwave is still salvageable. Hey, if it had a short life, it ended out with a bang, but I have a feeling it'll come back. I'm just amazed though how the flame came out the back.
Oh my god, man, that's
the plate cracked. I don't even know how that happened. I hope you got that.
I did it. You see those? Like,
Not when it went up again.
oh my god, boom.
Oh god. Oh man, I don't want this transformer to rust. But always be prepared. We always take the most safety precautions. And
What did you
what's that?
Oh yeah, that thing is fried. It's
Look at that.
so much water. That thing is basically a whole bucket. Holy shit, that thing was getting out of control, dude.
Look, oh,
Oh! Oh! Did you pull it out?
just the wire.
No, did he? Damn. That's fucking... It's still cracking. Oh, it's still really hot.
Oh, I'm sure it's hot. I'm surprised though the little rubber band didn't melt. Well, let's get the pliers and get this thing out of here. I believe I did.
I hope you did.
Man,
I had to put my phone away to just...
this little motor's heavy. But throw that there. Probably shouldn't put it on the leaves, but if the leaves are wet, they won't start a fire. Anyway, look at all that plastic in there. It's gonna be...
Look at all that stuff, man. It's all plastic.
That was definitely one of the best microwave fires that we've had.
For sure.
I hope we can still close this microwave. Oh, well, look. We're gonna have to obviously take off this door frame or something. Or oh, it came off anyway. Look. We don't need that.
Yeah, we don't need that door frame. It just came off. We don't need to.
So if I could get that off. Okay, so after the little microwave incident, it still works surprisingly. I can't tell if the display is gone because I mean it looks like it's gone, but that could just be the black that got inside of there. But anyway, yeah, so we tore this thing apart. Looks like the plastic got up there, which caused a little bit of fire in the back. Got some wires here that kind of a little bit toasty. Not too bad, not too bad. So this should be good for another round. The only thing we had to do and modify was remove this fan guard because as you can see, the fan is all warped in there. So I don't think it'll do any good. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, if this fuse does pop, yeah, we'll just rewire it to where we shouldn't have any more interruptions. But I am curious though to see if there's a display on here. That's the fan. That's the fan. it's gonna be all warped. But
Why did it go on though?
I have no
Did it
idea.
stay on?
I have no idea because it shouldn't. I mean, if the fuse is in, but
Maybe it's still a little hot.
could be. Watch, like, just close it again. I'll just unplug it if it goes off. Yeah, I don't know. I think something's wrong with the wiring there because the fan keeps going on. So, anyway, if it survives another round, we'll do it. If not, we'll rewire it. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year's, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully this microwave will be around for another video, but we will see. Anyway, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.